Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Prerna and today I'm going to show you how to make the famous Dalgona coffee. For this recipe, we need equal amounts of coffee, sugar and water. We also need cold milk and some ice cubes. In a glass, take the coffee powder, sugar and water. Then whisk it by hand or an electric whisk or a milk frother for about 8 to 10 minutes to achieve the right consistency. It's ready when you start seeing soft peaks. Now, in a separate mug, add some ice cubes, cold milk and top it up with the frothy coffee mixture and it's done. Thank you for watching. I really hope you like this recipe and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe.